everyone. Today we're doing lesson 4 in our math, and we're going to start with a word problem. There are 2 apples in Jane's bag, 3 apples in Sam's bag, and 1 apple in Anne's bag. How many apples do the children have in all? Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use part-whole language to tell how we solve this. Okay, we know the parts, so we can add them together, and we can add the parts of 2, 3, and 1 to get a whole. Okay, so I'm going to use a tape diagram. So we know that Jane has 2 apples in her bag. We know that Sam has 3 apples in his bag. And we know that Anne has 1 in her bag. So we need to know how many are in all. Okay? So we draw a tape diagram like I just did. Alright, and I've used something like counters to put inside them to show the apples. Alright, so one thing that we can do here is we can make them into equal groups. Are they in equal groups now? They're not. So we could take this one and put it over here and make it into equal groups. So it would look like this. 2 here. We're taking 1 and putting it over here. So there's now 2 here and 2 here. So again, make it maybe a little bit easier. Okay, and then from your tape diagram here, you can put it into numbers. You have 2, 2, and 2. Okay, so you can add them in repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, yes. Okay, all right, so all we did right here was we just added by 2's. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, I'm going to draw another tape diagram. And I'm going to have 2 here, 3 here, 5 here, and 2 here. Now, I want to put them into equal groups. So how can I do that? Well, there's 5, there's 2, and there's 2, and there's 3. This has too many, so we're going to put one of these over here. Mark that one out. We're going to take one of these and put it over here and mark it out. So everybody then would have 3. They would have equal groups. Okay? So then you can make a tape diagram of 3, 3, 3, and 3. Repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, let's do one more. We can also do it this way. Okay, do we have equal groups here? No, we do not. We have here 4, 5, and 3. So we could take this one and put it over here. Make it look like this. And each one would have 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Okay, so let's look at one more problem. The flowers are blooming in Maria's garden. There are 3 roses, 3 buttercups, 3 sunflowers, 3 daisies, and 3 tulips. How many flowers are there in all? So let's do a tape diagram. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So 1, 2. So we have 5 groups. There are 3 in each group, it looks like. So 3 in each group. So you can do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And you remember yesterday we grouped the add-ins together. So you would have 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And you would add those together. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then bring down this 3, which would be 15. Okay, so I now am going to show you the problem sets for this lesson. And it's going to be similar to what you're going to be doing with the homework. Okay, this first one says use repeated addition to find the total of each tape diagram. So there's 2 coffee cups here, 2 coffee cups here, 2 cups here, 2 cups here. There are 4 groups of 2. You could, like we did yesterday, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, here you can do the same thing where there's 4 spoons, 4 spoons, 4 spoons, 4 spoons, and 4 spoons. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, and then you add 16 plus 4, and that's 20. There was 5 groups of 4, which makes 20 as well. Here you have 5 plus 5 plus 5. You have 3 groups of 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, here you have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Adding up the same add-ins, 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. The 3 plus 3 is 6 here. And so 12 plus 6 is 18. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 3, which is also 18. Okay. Then here it's asking you to do a tape diagram. Okay. So draw a tape diagram to find the total. So here, you would have 3, 3, 3, and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Here you have 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. You have 5 groups of 2. So you have to make 5 groups and then put 2 in each one because there's 2 in each group. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus this extra 2 is 10. Then you have 4 groups of 4. And I guess also here you should have done your repeated addition. Okay. 4 groups of 4, so you have 4, 4, 4, and 4. Writing your repeated addition. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Here, you're going to write your tape diagram again. So you got 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. There's 5 in each group. Your repeated addition would look like this. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus this extra 5 is 15. Okay. So your homework looks like very similar to what you're doing here. You're doing the repeated addition equation. You're going to be writing however many groups there are. There are 4 groups of 3. It's hard to tell. That's a bike, and a bike. So that's 3, 3, 3, and 3. Add them together. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 4 groups of 12. 4 groups of 3 is 12. Be doing the same thing down here. Here you're going to draw your tape diagram to match it. there are 4 groups of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. And all the way down. Don't forget your repeated addition. If it's got a repeated addition, you don't have to draw it. But right here, you have 4 groups of 2. So you draw it like this. And then also put your repeated addition beside it. And show how you're going to add them together. Okay? Have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help you. If you need additional help through Embark, you can use their videos and their Google Slides, but always you can go back and look at this video or you can contact me. Have a great day. See you soon.